3 fruits, 2 hours before bed. One simple rule. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? You're standing in the kitchen, staring at the refrigerator like it owes you an answer, and your brain is just buffering. No signal. Loading screen. Please wait. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. Because what most doctors don't tell you is that memory loss isn't always about age. Sometimes it's about nutrition. Specifically the absence of certain compounds that your brain desperately needs to fire on all cylinders. Today, we're talking about 3 fruits that have been quietly studied by neuroscientists, fruits that seniors in some of the healthiest communities on Earth eat regularly. And the results? Remarkable. Let's get into it. Fruit number 1, blueberries. These tiny purple powerhouses are basically nature's brain battery charger. Blueberries are loaded with flavonoids called anthocyanins, which cross the blood-brain barrier and directly improve communication between neurons. A Harvard study that followed thousands of women over 2 decades found that those who ate blueberries regularly delayed memory aging by up to 2.5 years. 2.5 years. That's not a supplement. That's a handful of fruit. The antioxidants in blueberries also reduce oxidative stress, which is essentially the rusting of your brain cells. Think of them as WD-40 for your neurons. Eat them fresh, frozen, or blended. Just eat them. Your hippocampus will send a thank you note. Fruit number 2, avocado. Yes, avocado is a fruit. And yes, it might be saving your memory while you're busy complaining about its price. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which improve blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow means more oxygen and glucose reaching your neurons. More oxygen means sharper recall, faster thinking, and fewer "what was I saying" moments mid-sentence. One study from Tufts University found that older adults who ate 1 avocado per day for 6 months showed measurable improvements in memory and problem-solving skills. 6 months, 1 avocado a day. That's cheaper than most memory supplements, and it goes great on toast. Fruit number 3, pomegranate. This one is the unsung hero of brain health. Pomegranates contain a compound called punicalagin, which is not just fun to say at parties, it's one of the most potent anti-inflammatory agents found in nature. Inflammation in the brain is directly linked to cognitive decline, Alzheimer's risk, and brain fog. Pomegranate essentially walks into your brain like a tiny firefighter and starts putting out flames you didn't even know were burning. Research published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine showed that drinking pomegranate juice daily significantly improved memory function in older adults after just 4 weeks. 4 weeks. That's 1 month between you and a noticeably sharper mind. Now, here's the thing. Eating these 3 fruits consistently is powerful. But if you want to take your brain health to the next level, especially if your diet isn't always perfect, there's something worth knowing about. A lot of neuroscientists and nutritionists now recommend pairing a fruit-rich diet with a high-quality lion's mane mushroom supplement. Lion's mane contains compounds called hericenones and erinosines that actually stimulate nerve growth factor in the brain, basically telling your neurons to regenerate and reconnect. Think of the fruits as the fuel. Lion's mane is the engine tuning. We've linked a top-rated, third-party tested lion's mane supplement in the description below. It's one of the highest reviewed options on Amazon. And thousands of seniors have reported noticeable improvements in clarity and recall within weeks of adding it to their routine. And it fits right next to your blueberries on the kitchen counter. Your brain built a lifetime of memories. It learned languages, remembered faces, solved problems, raised families. It deserves to be fed well. Start with the fruit. Be consistent. And check that link below. Your future self, the one who remembers where they put their keys, will thank you. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.